about to go check out this street market called Saara to see if we can find stuff cheaper than La Uruguayana. So I don't know exactly where it is, but who can I ask, man? I gotta ask. Onde queda Saara?
Frente pra agora.
Right in frente?
Vai, entrou, começou.
Okay, gracias. This way. We're gonna see if we can find that. Hope we don't get lost. Exploring the streets, man. I should have started recording while I was over there, but we might have to go back over there so I could show you the terminal where you could catch a train and buses to go outside to Madureira, but the machine is not accepting my card, so I gotta bring cash. So I was like, so tomorrow we might go to Madureira to check out. Now let's go look for Saara. Opa, Saara es por aquí? Saara, onde? Primera. Aquí. Gracias. Okay. So now I got, you are watching Mike Lufa. You brand new. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Alright guys, welcome to Saara.
Please make
if
sure
you thought Rio was
video.
just beaches and bikinis,
So we are
you're about to
officially
get a reality check. We're in the heart of the Centro, and Saara isn't just a market. It's 11 blocks of absolute beautiful chaos. Listen to that. The shouting, the samba playing from a speaker somewhere, the smell of street popcorn. It's intense. It's loud and I love it. We're starting here at Rua de Alfandeja. Watch your pockets, keep your eyes peeled, and let's dive in.
You see, they selling the same type of stuff, jerseys, Brazil national team colors. I'm getting thirsty, man. Actually, I got water with me. Saha. You guys selling coconut juice? This
Coco 12 e 10.
12?
12 e 10.
Hey.
10, ó.
Ah.
10. E essa é, ó, 12.
Aquí se puede pagar con cartão?
Só aquele Pix.
Solo Pix. Ah, okay. I don't have okay, gracias. I don't have Pix. Pix is kind of like Cash App, Brazilian Cash App. So we gotta find a way to get some coconut water. Fuck that. You ain't playing. Oh my God. If you ask me. What is that? It look like, oh. Wow. I didn't know that. I need to ask how you pronounce this. 'Cause I don't want to mispronounce it.
The best part of this place isn't just the stuff, it's the people. You've got the camelos, which is the street vendors with their catchy chants. There's a guy over there selling screen protectors like he's performing at Rock in Rio. Everyone got a hustle. Everyone's got a smile, and the energy is just infectious. It's just gritty, sure, but the heart.
Let me ask this guy. Disculpa. El nombre de aquí, por aquí, ¿cómo se llama? Damn, somebody farted. Man, I think he gave me a slap. It sent me from Rio to Sao Paulo. This is crazy. We are in the streets of Rio de Janeiro. Trying to get a couple. We have yet to see the actual hats that we want. I think I'm lost. This is not where I came in. I thought it was. We got lost. I'm trying to find where to. Where did she go? Okay. I'm a little bit lost, so I need to find the first entrance. I think this one is the first. All right, we're gonna bring this. We're gonna go get some coconut water and the hat that we saw at first, and then we're gonna call it a wrap. Look at this. All right, so we at. Let's go to. Oh, what they sell over here? What kind of food place is this? Look like they got some good stuff. Excuse me, do you speak English?
Okay, first stop. Check out these
All right,
storefronts. We've got rows and rows of bucket hats. Super popular with the locals right now. They've got the flamingo colors, the Brazil flag, neon pink. It's a lot, but I think I want something a bit more Rio chic. A classic Panama hat, maybe. Let's keep moving towards Rua de Alfandega.
let me see. Disculpa. Acá usted tiene gorra con Monster. Se llama ahí sí. Aí? Directo?
Aqui, de frente esquerda, assim, coisa azul ali, ó. Azul.
A cosa azul. ¿En esa parte o eso?
Não, dessa.
De esa. Ah, ok. Gracias. Flat. Disculpa. ¿Eso cuánto vale? 15.
Ela quer saber onde é que você tá.
All right, now we're about to go stop by the hat place. See if we can cop a hat. 24. Oh, disculpa. I had to say disculpa. Where's the guy? Onde está el tipo? We're gonna try to get one of these. It looks like it's a Flamengo sign. But ¿eres el dueño? Okay. Should I get that? ¿Eso cuánto?
15 reais.
15 reais. Voy a pagar con cartón.
Pix, tem Pix?
No, Pix no tengo. Hey, drop this thing on it. Oh man.
Pode com a Roma aí, pode com a Roma, vai lá.
Hey. Okay. All right, so we ended up buying this hat, which is not really what we wanted, but I'm tired of wearing the same hat over and over, so we had to get this. Let's go. Disculpa.
Back to the mission. I found a specialized shop tucked away in the corner. These feel higher quality. I'm torn between a classic fedora style and a sporty visor. The vendor, Marco, tells me that the straw ones are usually handmade in the northeast of Brazil. Decisions. Wait, look at this one. It's a simple, breathable linen cap, and it's understated. Fits perfectly and won't fly off my head when I'm at the price at the Redeemer. Look out later.
You know you have to bargain with these people. Sorry. That's why when I'm in Colombia, you like a Colombian already. You know when to argue or bargaining. Hat eventually. Let me see if they got the hats I'm looking for here. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Tienes algo muy parecido a este? ¿Y eso cuánto vale?
18.
18?
Tem outros modelos aí, Brasil.
Let me see.
Pode ficar à vontade.
This is the style they got. Disculpa, ¿se puede pagar con cartón? ¿Ah? Pero si puedo pagar con cartão. Solo moneda? Ah, okay. Fuck, it doesn't have machine. Okay, gracias. I was gonna get a coconut water, but he said Irish guy. How you doing? I don't think this is where we turn. No, it's not.
E saem às 4 da tarde. Com as crianças saem das 10 horas, acaba prejudicando também os pais que precisam trabalhar.
We'll get something else. We'll go this way.
Sei lá, 9 anos atrás.
This is where we came in? No, I don't think it is. Let's go this way and see.